Hello guys!
Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel today.
Yeah, in this video we're going to talk about a very staple keto food that has almost the perfect keto ingredients and is a very important part of keto. And there's a lot of studies that come out that say that you will get high cholesterol, blood disease, heart disease, early death, and you're just going to basically die and burn in hell if you eat eggs. And it's a controversy, so we thought that we are going to do a little experiment here, tell you about our experiences and our 2 cents about eggs.
Exactly. I'm going to show you 3 types of eggs. One of them is organic, one of them is commercial, and one of them is grass-fed, pasture-raised egg. And I want you to take your pick and let me know in the comments which one is which based on your knowledge, and on the end of this video I will reveal which one is which.
Alright, and if you're new to this channel, then we do content just like this one, so if you like it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And my wife here is a ketogenic coach, so you can visit our website, and if you have any problem with the keto diet or losing weight on keto or just want to increase your overall health in keto, then book in a free consultation with her and then we see if we can help you.
And the link is here.
So, eggs. And the new study that came out, what does it say?
I mean, it's saying you're gonna have increased cholesterol, and the truth is that your body is making cholesterol. If you don't know, your body is making 3000 milligrams every single day. It's the basic block of your cells. This is needed to build hormones and cells in your body. So if your body is lacking of cholesterol, then your body is going to make more. If you eat too much from food, your body is going to lower its own production. So there is nothing to worry about if you are consuming good quality eggs. And if your cholesterol balance is off for any reason, that's a totally separate video and we will cover this in another segment.
Yeah, and most of these studies are basically being done on people who are on a high fat and a high carb diet, and when you mix the high fat and the high carb, your body basically has an exaggerated insulin reaction to it. And when you have high insulin in the body, it causes nerve damage, it causes high cholesterol, it causes heart disease, damages your sight, damages your memory. So you have a lot of damage from a high carb and high fat diet, which is the standard American diet. It's like donuts and fries, buns, exactly. Everything that is on the standard American diet is going to kill you slowly, make you very obese, and you're going to die and burn in hell. But if you're not on a high fat, high carb diet, but just on the keto diet, which is a high fat, low carb diet, then you're going to have insanely awesome benefits from eggs.
Exactly, and one egg like this contains ingredients to develop a healthy body, while getting a chicken out of this on the end, a breathing, walking animal. And it's packed with all the essential nutrients such as B1, B6, folic acid and B12, and contain the key minerals as calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc and iron. For me, this is like a vitamin bomb.
Yeah, did I mention it has the perfect keto macros, and it's an amazing food. I eat eggs every day, 5 every day, and it's amazing. My body loves them. Now we come to the different eggs that you can consume, because you can consume your run-of-the-mill commercial eggs, which is fed with GMO corn from chickens that are locked inside
cages with hormones and
exactly,
really bad
with
conditions.
Pamela Anderson protesting outside. Or you can choose organic eggs. We found out recently that just because the chicken is organic, it only means that they're being fed organic corn. But corn is not what chicken's supposed to eat. They're supposed to be outside, and they're supposed to be on the pasture and picking up worms and grass. And this is what puts all the good vitamins in the eggs. So basically when you get the GMO eggs, it's just something that looks like an egg. It actually has nothing inside.
No value, not the nutritions I mentioned.
The organic is a bit better.
Yes.
But the biggest change that we felt was when we actually started eating pasture-raised eggs, and my body loves them. And we found a farm that can give them for 1/3 of the price of the organic eggs. It's crazy good. So let me show them to you.
Now is the big reveal coming, which one is which. And I have to tell you that I worked in my grandmother's organic garden, so I know what is organic grass-fed pasture-raised eggs looks like and tastes like. So I am a pro at this. Basically, number one, eat commercial egg. Look at the color. This yellow, how weak is it in the color? There is like really no nutrition in that one. Number two is organic eggs, and the color is a little bit better if you compare that to look at it. This is a bit more yellow. And number three is the pasture-raised egg, and look how orange is that, because there is actual nutrition in this. And from experience, I tell you that pasture-raised eggs usually comes in 2 egg yolks, and they are exceptionally orange.
And they basically taste awesome, and if you can do by any means get pasture-raised chicken eggs, they're just awesome. That's all we can say about it.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and don't be afraid of eating eggs. They are awesome if it's coming from pasture-raised chickens.
Yeah, so hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe and see you guys in our next video.
Bye bye!